just a moment. Meantime, Dutch Bros, major winner last year, but it is coming under some pressure today. The company did not pre-announce results here at ICR conference, as some were perhaps expecting, but did announce the opening of its 1,000th store in February. So joining us now is Dutch Bros CEO Christine Barone. Christine, it's great to speak with you again. Thanks for being here.
Thanks so much, Morgan. It's great to be here with you.
I do want to start with the fact that there was some expectation from analysts that you might pre-announce guidance. What did you see, to the extent you can share it about in the holiday season?
Yeah, so what we've shared so far is what we've seen in Q3. We had an awesome Q3, a really great 2024 building up to that. We had some really good innovation. We had rolled out mobile order, so excited by what we are seeing in the year.
We just talked about this 1,000th store. I mean, you have been expanding at a, shall we say, caffeinated pace across the country. How much does that pace continue at this level? How do you think about that versus balancing saturation? I mean, I think about Starbucks a couple of years ago becoming oversaturated. So how do you make sure that doesn't happen with Dutch Bros?
So we are absolutely just at the beginning of our journey and just getting started and rolling out shops across the U.S. We shared that we'd open at least 160 shops in 2025. So excited to continue at a very rapid pace of growth.
How do you decide where to expand? Because you're not in the New York area, which is why I say that.
Absolutely. So the way that we decide how we expand is all based on our people and when are our people ready to open that next shop. So we have 400 operators in our pipeline ready to build a new community and open a new shop for us.
It seems like the takeaway so far here at ICR is that, at least for Q4 and the holiday season, consumer was perhaps stronger, more resilient than some were expecting, and we're poised for perhaps a solid 2025. Maybe election outcomes helped inject some certainty into the marketplace as well. Is that how do you see it? What are you seeing from the consumer, especially across different income levels?
So as we look at the customer right now, we believe they really are looking for value, and that's in a lot of different ways. It's through price, but it's also through what you're providing. Are you providing an awesome connection with them? Great products. We have merch drops that we do. We make things fun. So when you come in for a beverage, you get points through the rewards program, and I think that's really what customers are looking for in 2025.
In a week where inflation data is in focus, we've seen coffee futures surge over the past year. How are you navigating that? What does that mean in terms of menu pricing?
Yeah, so as we look at coffee pricing, coffee is about 10% of our commodity basket, so maybe less than you might think. So as we look ahead, we are bought ahead to a certain extent, and what we shared, it did not impact us in 2024, even though coffee prices were elevated for the year.
I want to get your thoughts on the competitive landscape. Starbucks is got a new CEO in place with a new strategy to turn the coffee chain around. Just today, we're getting a report out of the Wall Street Journal that they're looking to roll out a new code of conduct, require cafe users to be paying customers, which reverses a years-long policy. I want to get your reaction to that and how you think about such policies within your stores at Dutch Bros.
So we're a drive-through system, so we actually don't have a lobby. Our customers are coming through the drive-through or coming to the walk-up window to pick up their orders. And as far as how we look at our customers, we really know who we are and believe that we have a super unique point of view on the market. We provide customized energy drinks, and we think that we have really perfected the art of service with speed.
Menu innovation, you're experimenting with some food options as well right now. How to think about that and what is gaining traction?
Yeah, so as we look at food, we're in very early days of food right now. We expect to be testing it throughout 2025 with plans to roll it out sometime in 2026.
And finally, you have quite a few stores in California. Have you been affected? Have your employees been affected by these wildfires?
Yeah, we have had some employee impacts, and so we are looking at how do we best support our employees who might be looking for a place to stay. We're looking at how can we support the community, and it's one of these things where you want to be really thoughtful about being there but not getting in the way of the support that the communities really need. So it's a hard time for everyone, and I thank you for asking.